Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a lovely day, of course, because I'm going to tell you it's because of the sun. But no, there is another reason, because today I received a huge courier from home and it has full of gifts and food which are not easily available here. So I always tell my mom to send me few specific things. List goes on from spices to some kind of cereals that are not really readily available here, right? I'm sweating. It's hot. I have turned red in the sun. Oh my god. Very excited to show you what all I got. You know, people like me who love the kitchen and who love to eat, especially, would enjoy any kind of kitchen supplies. I don't know when I turned into this old lady, but, anyways, I'm very excited to try all these snacks. And I'm going to tell you what are my top most snacks that are always my go-to, and I need them whenever they get over. So here we go. Okay, so first up are these yoga bars, which are these nutrition bars, and they come in so many different flavors. For example, this one here is apricot fig, and this one is blueberry pie, and I am sure there are more flavors, but these are the best things when you have to, you know, quickly grab a bite and leave for the day for work or for your school or university. It's great because I have done it, you know, during my 8 a.m. classes some days when I was like too tired of the same breakfast and also late. I used to like quickly grab one of these so that on the go I can just munch onto these, and these are very tasty as well. I generally don't really like sweet stuff, but to my surprise I really like these NutriBars, so I always tell my parents to send me NutriBars. This brand is Yoga Bar, but the last time I got from a different brand, but it's better to get them in bulk from India, I think, because here it can get expensive. But yeah, by the way, this setup is because I got my tripod from my home, and I am so excited to be using this because I'm using it after so long, and finally I can shoot my videos like this without the support of any wall or anything. I can just simply sit here and shoot in whichever direction the light comes. So it's perfect. Wait for this. You won't believe. These are packets of thepla. For people who don't know what thepla is, it's basically like I don't know how to explain it. Or so you can Google thepla. It's from one of the regions in India called Gujarat, and it's their staple food. So my parents basically send me like few of the packets cooked and some frozen so that I can cook later on, and it is a game changer. Like, the amount of time it saves, and you can quickly just heat it and take it with you wherever you're going. You don't have to like elaborately cook. You just need an achar or pickle with this, and just you can have it with anything. I mean, I think half of the courier is filled with these packets. I use this a lot whenever I get these from home. Like, I love it. This is very nice, and this comes in this nice little pack, and it's great. Okay, so the next thing on my list is obviously Maggie. This time I also got this ramen, which is, I don't know. This is new. I got top ramen this time. I am basically listing down all my go-to things today, and definitely this when I don't want to cook dinner. But I try to avoid Maggie nowadays, but still always love Maggie, right? I don't think you get this big a packet right over here in the UK. You have the Maggies in like the small pouches and packet, but they also cost like unreasonably high for a Maggie. Definitely a bonus is this aloo bhujia because my friends love it. They used to finish half the thing whenever they were here, but now they are not, so this is all to myself. Okay, last but not the least, this is something unusual and this is very specific to me. I think not many people would ask for it from home, but it is a talcum powder. Honestly, I have not seen talcum powders here. I, I mean, please tell me if talcum powders are actually available, because obviously for babies it is, I know that, but not, I don't think adults, from what I have understood and observed, that not many adults use talcum powder, because I have heard from my friends saying and asking me like, why do you need a talcum powder? But I need it. Like, even one of my sisters, she had told me that, maybe you can shift to another alternative, because powders are apparently for babies. But I kind of disagree, even though the alternative that she mentioned, which I'm going to show you, thing which I had never used and I did not know much about it, was this. Doves, but it actually works well. But still, I'm so used to this that I can't really let this go. Works like magic for me. Definitely need it alongside my Nivea. This is unusual, but this is me. It's a mess right now with all the bags and everything. You can see. Anyways, that was it for the video. These are my top things from India that I asked my parents to send me through a courier. But there are obviously a lot more things. There are gifts that I got. There are gifts that I have to give to other people. Here, my go-to things, and that's what I wanted to share. Tell me if it's the same case with you. What all do you guys order? So maybe next time I can order. Is order the right word? I don't know, but I'm using it anyway. But tell me, what all things that you tell your parents back at home to send you? What do you miss about India? What all things that you wish that you find here easily, right? And it's gonna take some while for me to actually put them all back to its right place, because there are a lot of things and I'm so tired. I just came back from work, but I will do it. Otherwise, I don't have any place to sleep. Oh, this is a new kind of a video. I have never done this kind of a video, so I was kind of skeptical to do this. But I think that doing a video on things that are kind of a routine to me makes it probably relatable, a bit more relatable to people who are students like me. So why not? One more thing that would really help me is tell me if you like these kind of videos. Should I do more of them? Because this is the first. I like sharing. Yeah, I like the process of shooting, so why not? And I hope I can make them as relatable to you as possible, so that it's not a waste of time for you. And like, maybe through this video you can get some idea on what to ask your parents to send over, so might help you, or just might entertain you, I don't know. But anyways, bye.